How to reset network settings on your OnePlus Nord 3, Nord CE3 Lite, Nord CE4. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap the setting app. Now scroll down up to additional settings. Tap on additional settings. Again scroll down at the end of the screen. At the end you can see backup and reset option. Tap on it. Now tap on a reset phone. Here at the top you can see reset network and Bluetooth settings. Tap on it. Now unlock your device. Here you can see pop-up reset network and Bluetooth settings. It will remove all your saved Wi-Fi password, Bluetooth pair and other cellular network settings on your phone. Tap on a reset to reset network and Bluetooth settings. Now you need to enter your Wi-Fi password again to use Wi-Fi or connect the Bluetooth pair. That's it. Please like it, share it